Hi everyone, so today is Thursday and at the top you'll see in bold it says assessment. So today I cannot give you a paragraph on my favorite color, but you can write a paragraph and share with me your favorite color. So hopefully you were able to read the book Red is Best. It's about a little girl and she explains why she likes the color red the best. So you will be able to write an opinion paragraph. You have your opening, two opinion sentences and a closing. Now it says, in my opinion, comma, I think blank is the best color. So if you think blue, you're going to put blue. Now is blue a name? No, we don't say hi blue or hi orange. It's lowercase. So I gave you this one on top and I gave you this one on the bottom. That is why I think blank is the best color. Now you'll see these two in the middle. It says needs to be memorized. So you're going to have to remember this sentence and this sentence all by yourself. And hopefully you can remember those two opinion sentences. So in my opinion, I think blank is the best color. Opinion, that is why I think blank is the best color. Good luck everyone. I hope that you do a great job.